How you doing? This is Scott Exotic, and I'm at the Shanklin Zoo. How you doing? This is Scott Exotic. All this system in here, these are crazy units. This is the jug of R22. This is old, outdated as of January 2020. Standing next to this R22 unit here. And if you have this at your house, and we're coming out there every year and putting this in your air conditioner, then that means you probably have a problem with your air conditioner. And you need to think about upgrading that system. Let's not keep on putting this in the system, and let's get a new one. Let's upgrade that system. You need to call Shanklin at 330-832-5848 and let us come out here and resolve that problem.